Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Sephora haul to share with you guys. Sephora recently put a ton of items in their clearance section for like Memorial Day. So there's a ton of items in here that were for that sale thing that they were having. Also, I do have some items in here that were not in that sale section, but I think it's only one item actually that was not in that sale section. And you guys have already seen it, so I'll show you that first. This is the Sol de Janeiro, the Samba Suede Glow Oil. So I took this with me when we went on our little trip. This is really cool, but I thought for sure, because looking at this bottle, you would think that it's going to be a really deep color, but you put it on your skin and it's not very deep at all. I'll show you. So there's what it comes out looking like. It almost looks goldish green, but then once you put it, I put too much in one spot. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'll put it up here. So once you put it on, your skin definitely does not deepen up that dark, so it just gives your skin a nice luminosity to it. I love the way it looks on my skin. I think it looks beautiful, and it smells like the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream, so if you love the smell of that, you're going to love this. The only thing I will tell you is the color will kind of transfer to things. So this brown goldish color, if you have something white on, it's going to transfer onto your other items. So just be careful with that. I don't know if like perhaps it just dries down and eventually will do that, because honestly it did it for me the whole time. Like it was transferring to different things, but it looks beautiful on. So if you don't mind the transfer, then it's cool, and it smells absolutely amazing. So they do have different shades in this. This is Samba Suede, but I know, like I said, I think they have other shades. I'm not exactly sure how many shades they have. I think it's 3 or 4, but I'm not positive. The next thing I picked up was in the sales section. This is the Nails Inc London Polish Palette. So they had a lot of their Nails Inc sets on sale. Unfortunately, one that I recently purchased that wasn't on sale, and now it's on sale, and I'm like, go figure. So this is the Nails Inc London. So there's 3 different polishes in here. I think this one is basically just going to be like a top coat, so I don't think it's going to do much for your nails. Let me pull them out and I'll tell you the names of them. We have Strobe of Genius. So there's Strobe of Genius. Then we have Queen Contour. So that's really cool. There's Queen Contour. And then we have, this one's really pretty. This is Full Coverage. It's like a pinky nude shade. It looks like a very opaque color. So that's awesome. And then of course I like the container. The container, I'm planning to actually put a couple of these polishes in here and travel with them when we go on our little cruise. So there, if I want to paint my nails before we get on the boat or while we're on the boat, I have them in a secure pack. Maybe it's not so secure. Oh, it's because I don't have the tissue paper back on top of it. So I'll make sure that I keep the tissue paper as well if I'm going to travel with those polishes. That way if they do happen to open or something, they're not going to spill all over my clothing. I did have a purple shampoo one time when we went on vacation that the purple shampoo spilled all over everything, and then it bleached, because the purple, I guess, bleaches things. So it bleached my husband's hat. It was pretty awesome. The next thing I got is, I think this is my birthday. Yes, happy birthday. So this is my birthday gift I picked up. This is the Jo Malone perfume set. Came in this really pretty box, and then it comes inside of another box. So it's a box in a box, and then it's a perfume here. So it's a tiny little perfume. It's, I don't know how many ounces it is. I don't think it even says, honestly. Yep, 0.3 ounces. This is the Peony and Blush Suede collection. So there's what the perfume looks like. It smells good, but I don't think it's something that I would end up purchasing. I do like some of the Jo Malone perfumes, but this is just not one that I probably would purchase. It's not my forte. The next thing I picked up in the sales section is the Kat Von D Brow Struck. This is the dimensional powder. I know not everybody loves Kat Von D, but a lot of her stuff is on sale right now, and I think that's probably because she's suffering with a lot of people unsubscribing and not really buying from her. So here's what it looks like, the packaging. But this is just a brow product, and I like how simplistic it was. It's just one little brow product. It looks shiny. It looks like it has like shimmer in there. I don't know if you can tell it or not, but it looks like it has shimmer in there, and I'm like, I don't want shimmer brow. Let me swatch it. No, it's matte, but it looked very shimmery in the pan, so it was a little deceiving. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have shimmer brow. I'm gonna be like Twilight brows. Then we have 2 samples here. We have the Sephora, this is the masking kit, I think. Yeah, so I have one of these already in my collection, so this will go in my sample Sundays. I have a Sephora Lip Stories, so we have this little lip sample kit here, so that's really cool. I think I just gave myself a paper cut. Oh no. Okay, so that is that part, and then I have this palette here I picked up, which is really unfortunate because I had to contact Sephora. One thing I can tell you guys, anytime you purchase anything from Sephora, open it up as soon as you get it, and that way there you can determine if all your products came intact. This did not. It did not survive because they didn't put anything in there to protect it. And I actually emailed them and I was like, look, if you guys would actually just like bubble wrap things, you wouldn't have this issue, because it seems like I have this issue a lot with Sephora. Oh my gosh, I'm going to get it all over me. I'm going to try not to get it all over myself. I'm going to open it up so you can see what it is. And this is the Sculpting Glow Kit. And there's what it looks like. I don't know if you can tell how broken and damaged it is, but it's completely destroyed. So they are sending a new one, but I mean, they could save so much money if they would just bubble wrap. How expensive is bubble wrap? It cannot be that expensive. Just bubble wrap the palettes. I don't know. I just get frustrated with Sephora's customer service, like how they wrap things and do things. Then we have the Lancome Teint Idole little sample. Then we have a Sephora Exfoliating Cleansing Cream and Charcoal. That's a little sample. We have lots of little samples here, which is awesome because we can stockpile my Sample Sunday series. We have a Clinique, this is opened, Clinique Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer. We have the Algenist, this is the hyaluronic acid and prebiotic. I don't think I've ever even heard of this, so that's interesting. Then we have the Becca Skin Love Brighten and Blur Primer. So there's a little primer from Becca. And then, let me pull the box over here, get over here. And then we have the Klorane Anti-Pollution, what is this? Mattifying Mist. I was like, what in the world does that say? I was trying to read the wrong language. I'm like, that does not make sense to me because you're not reading the right language. Okay, then we have another nail polish. I have the Nails Inc. and this is the Cosmic Queen. That one looks really pretty. I love this brand of nail polishes. I think that's like my favorite brand for nail polishes right now. Then I picked this up because they had it back in stock. I know it's an older palette, but this is the Becca and Chrissy Teigan palette. I didn't get it when it first came out and then I kind of regretted it. And then when they brought it back and it was on sale, I was like, now's the time. So, oops, I almost like dropped it. So if you have not seen this, which you probably have because this is an older palette, there's what it looks like on the inside. You get a blush, a bronze, and 2 highlights inside of here. So it looks really nice. I'm excited because I did hear a lot of good things about this palette. It seemed like everybody who owned it really enjoyed it. So I'm excited. Then we have some more samples, which they're doing good about giving us our samples, which is awesome. We only get 2 now though versus 3 like we used to. We have the Diva Curl No Poo Zero Lather Shampoo and Conditioner. So here is the Zero Poo or No Poo Shampoo and Conditioner from Diva Curl. Daily Cream Conditioner and Zero Lather Conditioning Cream. Okay, I was like, what? Then we have the Dr. Brandt Microderma Brasion sample. And then I have another nail polish. I told you guys I really like nail polishes. And this is again by the Nails Inc. The bottle looks really different though. This is the shade Social Detox. It says like a juice diet, but for your sanity. So I think we all have to do that once in a while, kind of like take a social media detox where we just like get away from it. So it'll be a good reminder when I paint my nails. Sometimes you just gotta take a detox. The next thing in here is Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This was like a code I think I entered. So this is a decent size though. This will be really good for traveling because I wouldn't want to take my big one to travel, but this is a decent size for travel, I think. So there's what that looked like. And then we have the Hourglass. This is the High Shine Volumizing Lip Gloss. Ooh, I don't think I've tried this either. So this is in the shade Sublime. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, that's gorgeous. So I'm excited about trying that. And then the last thing I purchased is this right here. This is the Becca Endless Summer Glow by Chrissy. This is the Glow Body Oil. So it's similar to, I think it's going to be similar to this, but I'm not positive. So we're going to pull it out and check it out. So I haven't checked it out yet. I'm not sure how I got opened, but I haven't checked it. Oh no, this is not the same. This looks like a bunch of sparkles in a bottle. So I am going to look like Edward Cullen's for sure. Let me see. Let me see how this works. I'm going to shake it up, give it a good shake here, and try it out. Oh, how does this work? This is like, okay. I don't like the container to it, like how it just kind of pours out. I like this one, it's like a pump. So I'm going to put it in my hand here. Let's see. Oh my goodness. I'm going to drop it. Put it on my arm. Oh, it smells so good. It's like got a really nice perfume scent to it. It smells like perfume. It's not as glowy as I thought it was going to be. So there it is over top of that. It's not super glowy. It definitely has sparkles in it, but not like extreme. So, but it smells fantastic. It smells like a really nice perfume. So that's cool. I'll definitely be using that this summer as well. So that is everything that I picked up recently at Sephora while they had their sale going on. Let me know, did you shop their sale? Did you see lots of goodies in there that you picked up? The Pat McGraths were on sale. Some Natasha Denona was on sale. Like I got the one, and they had some other eyeshadow palettes that were on sale. They had tons of items that were in their sale section. So let me know, did you shop that sale? Because I thought it was very, very good in my opinion. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.